Hello and welcome to Digital Priya Lectures. In this video we will discuss about taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, taxonomic hierarchy, on which basis it is classified kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Okay, so what is taxon? It signifies a taxonomic group of any rank which represents the real biological organisms included in a category. Like maize is a species, zoya it is not zoya, it is zia. Okay, here we have mistaken. And grasses, which is a family, conifers, order, monocots or dicots, their class, seed plants. In cases of plants we use division at the basis of phylum. Okay, so seed plants is a division, plantae kingdom. Now it is Ocimum centum. Ocimum centum. Ocimum is the genus of Tulsi. Okay. So Tulsi is the common name of Ocimum centum. Okay, it is Ocimum centum and it is Rosa. We basically know it as rose. Okay, so now what is taxonomic aids? Okay, these are various techniques, procedures and stored information that are useful in identification and classification of organisms. Taxonomic aids are used for identification and classification of organisms. They are basically techniques in which we use some tools. They are herbarium tools and this is herbarium sheet. Okay, so on which basis it is divided at the ending basis. Okay, in that we use herbariums for preserving dead plants. Okay, and for dead animals we use museums, and in living we grow rare plants and different species of plants in botanical gardens, and in zoological garden we conserve animals, rare animals or extinct animals. Okay, we conserve animals in zoological gardens. Okay, now what are herbariums? This is shown a herbarium in which sheets are arranged and also labeled which plant herbarium sheet is this. Okay, by label they are arranged. Okay, so now what is museum? Museum is basically have dead animals which are stuffed with some cotton or other material to preserve them. Okay, so dead animals are preserved in museums. Now it is shown botanical garden of Chandigarh. Okay, in which rare plants are grown, different species of plants are grown. Okay, so now what is taxonomic hierarchy? Taxonomic hierarchy, there are 7 obligate categories. And what are they? They are kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Okay, so now now we will discuss about so there are taxonomic hierarchy: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. And how we learn about taxonomic hierarchy? We learn it in ascending order. Okay. So what is taxonomic hierarchy? In order to make taxonomic positions of species precise, certain subcategories and supercategories have been added, and they are called intermediate categories. Okay. So what subkingdom, superphylum, subphylum, superclass, subclass, superorder, suborder, superfamily, subfamily, and so on. Type, subspecies, variety. Okay, and they are in ascending order. Okay, categories are in ascending order. We have learned. So it is shown at the basis of subcategories and supercategories. You have to learn it about it. Okay. So now what is species? It is the basic taxonomic category of hierarchy. Taxonomic hierarchy. It is basic category. It is it is present at the lowest level. Okay, in taxonomic hierarchy. It helps in understanding evolution. It also helps in understanding evolution and taxonomic hierarchy. It is the natural population of individual or group of population which resembles one another in all essential morphological and reproductive factors. Species have that organisms which are similar to each other in morphological or reproductive characters, carry same type and amount of genetic material so that they can breed together. Okay, that's why they have same type and amount of genetic material. They are genetically distinct and reproductively isolated population. Example: Mangifera indica, commonly known as mango, or Simum santum, commonly known as tulsi. Okay. So here we have shown two species, which is of Panthera. Okay, it is Panthera leo and it is Panthera pardus. Okay, commonly known as leopard and lion. Okay, here we have two species. So now what is genus? It is the first higher category above the level of species. This category present above species level. It is the group of species which are related and have less common characters than species like lion, Panthera leo, tiger, Panthera ticus, leopard, Panthera pardus included in Panthera genus and have similar characters, but less same character than species. Okay. So what is genus? Here we shown the Panthera genus. We have shown the Panthera genus, which have different species of Panthera ticus, commonly known as tiger, lion, Panthera leo, jaguar, Panthera onca, leopard, Panthera pardus, and snow leopard, Panthera unica. Okay, they have less common characteristics than genus have less common characteristics than species, and it is the group of species of Panthera genus. Okay. So now we will discuss what are families. Okay. So genera with similarities are placed under a family like Panthera, and Felis genus are placed under Felidae family. Okay, Felis genus is of cat family, cat family. Okay, and they both are placed under Felidae family. Okay, Panthera and Felis genus. In plants, the family ends with suffix Aceae, subfamily with Oidae. Okay, these suffixes are added to make a family. In animals, the family ends with suffix -ii and subfamily with -ini and tribe with -ini. Okay, here we show the Felidae family, where we have Panthera genus and Felis genus. Okay, that's all guys. In our next video we will discuss about class, order, phylum and kingdom, which are our higher level categories. So please subscribe my channel and tap on like button for my motivation. Thank you.